We got balloons, popsicle sticks, scissors,
Careful with this. Mommy will use it.
tape, and paper plates.
We don't have the plates. So,
bowls.
like bowls. We can try.
Yeah, but we can try.
So we'll do the
instructions so we know
balloon
the balloon
tennis.
tennis.
So let's start. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay,
Whoa.
come on.
Give me.
Okay, come on. Go on, Sammy, pass this to see. Tiffy,
Hey, Tiffy.
come on.
Attention. Okay. We don't need a tennis with necklaces. Tennis ball.
Ah!
I win. Here. I can do tennis better. Me. Oh my gosh. I just
Go.
go. Me. Hey, Mommy, watch this.
Ah! You gotta break your tennis racket.
Whoa, I did it.
You did. Good job.
Gonna do it. Oh!
Ah!
Got it.
Good job. Go, Tiffy.
I wanted to balloon.
We'll have one. We'll do it next time.
Yeah, and then I wouldn't. And then you.
Ah!
Oh no, you can't throw it. You do this. Do this.
Woo!
Whoa.
Come on!
Whoa. We. Ah. Oh.
Awesome. You better catch it. Let's see. Okay. Sammy, you're the referee.
Okay. Oh. I caught it.